I've got a Casio 3240 stopwatch here. It was about $12 online. And I'd like to use it for a standardized test, but it currently makes that beeping noise that I'd like to get rid of. And so I found online it's actually pretty easy because the piezo element's just in this back plate. So I've got 2 of the screws removed already, but remove all 4 of the screws, and you don't have to worry because the back plate is gasketed, so it seals right back up. There's no adhesive or anything you have to worry about. So this is the piezo element right here, and it's basically conducting through the back plate to get to it. And so there's a spring there that's making conduction, and there's a spring right here that's making conduction. And so you can remove those or put a piece of tape over, however you'd like to do it. I'm just going to bend this this little spring down here. And that way, if I wanted to put it back in the future, it's just as easy as, bending that spring back up. And I just have to get it below this this little plastic piece right there. That's what's the back plate's going to ride on. Takes a little bit of pressure to flex it down. Okay. And I'll just put 2 in and test it, and then I can put the rest of them in later. There we go. Start and stop with no noise.